Dear students, today we are going to look at the structure of DNA and RNA. Okay, DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. Okay, DNA has double nucleotide, which makes it to have double helix structure or double helix strand, as we have in our textbook. Okay, RNA has single nucleotide, which give room for the single strand or the single helix structure of RNA. Okay, now let's look at the structure of DNA. DNA has double nucleotide. Okay, and each of these nucleotide consists of phosphate group. This is the phosphate group, consists of sugar, and the sugar in DNA is the deoxyribose sugar, which is represented with letter D. These are the sugars, deoxyribose sugar. Then the P is the phosphate group. Then these are the nitrogenous base. Okay, the nitrogenous base can be purines and pyrimidines. Okay, these purine here are adenine and guanine. Okay, and the pyrimidine can be thymine and cytosine. So this is adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. These two are the purine. These two are the pyrimidine. Okay, look at their base pairing sequence. Anywhere we have adenine, adenine will always pair with thymine. Okay, then guanine will always pair with cytosine. Okay, when adenine pair with thymine, it will give you AT. Okay, when guanine pair with cytosine, it will give you GC. That means anywhere we have adenine, we are going to have it paired with thymine. If we have cytosine, cytosine is always paired with guanine. Okay, so if here is adenine, adenine will always pair with thymine. That is letter T. Okay, then if we have guanine, guanine will always pair with cytosine. Okay, then thymine will always pair with adenine, as we have. Then cytosine will always pair with guanine. This can be any side. If we have G here, we have C. If we have adenine here, we are going to have thymine here. Okay, that is their base pairing sequence. Okay, now these purines pairing with pyrimidine, we have bond that bind them together. There are bonds that bind the nitrogenous base pair together. Take note, the nitrogenous base of DNA is known as the base pair because of the double nucleotide, and we have the bond that bind them together. This bond is known as hydrogen bond. This is the bond that bind the purines and pyrimidines together. Okay, all right. So that's all for now on DNA. Okay, now let's look at RNA. RNA has single helix structure because of the single nucleotide. Okay, as we have in DNA, the single nucleotide consists of phosphate group, which is represented with letter P. Okay, and consists of sugar. The sugar is represented with what? R, and that sugar in RNA is ribose sugar. Okay, then we have the nitrogenous base. But these nitrogenous base are not base pair because it has single nucleotide, so they are not pairing. So we can't call it base pair. It is just like a nitrogenous base. Then the purines in RNA is the same as that of the purines in DNA. adenine and guanine, adenine and guanine. So the purines in DNA is the same with that of the purines in RNA. Okay, then the pyrimidines here, the thymine in DNA is now replaced in RNA with uracil. Okay, then we have cytosine. So uracil and cytosine are the pyrimidines in RNA. Okay, in DNA we have thymine and cytosine as the pyrimidine. Then the thymine here is replaced with uracil in RNA. So these are the nitrogenous base of RNA. Okay, so here because it is not pairing, because it has single nucleotide, it's going to be adenine, guanine, uracil, guanine, cytosine. Okay, it can be anywhere depending on how you want to arrange. Okay, so this is the structure of RNA that has single helix strand because of the single nucleotide, and this is the structure that has double nucleotide, which makes it to possess double helix structure, making the DNA to look like a ladder. Okay, remember the bond that binds the nitrogenous base pair in DNA together is known as hydrogen bond. Okay, the DNA carries the genetic materials which are transferred from the parents to the offspring. We are going to talk more of these genetic traits in our next video, when we are going to look at hereditary and variation. Okay, this is all we have for now. Thank you and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright?